Well, we almost went from this to this. Almost. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video, we'll be decorating the guest bedroom as well as upgrading the bedding. Our good friends at Viscosoft sent us a mattress topper, some pillows, as well as some sheets, and I'll tell you more about them. Quick tip. Did you know that peroxide can be used to remove blood stains from fabric? Yes, just pour a small amount of peroxide on the stained area and you'll see it bubble up as if it was on an open sore on your skin. Then just clean it as usual. Another tip is to include a bottle of peroxide in your Mother Nature care packet. All right, so here's the sheets. They're 100% organic cotton sateen sheets. They are a 300 thread count, which is a great thread count for organic, and it has a sateen weave, which makes them feel like they are a higher thread count. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox them and wash them, and we'll put them on the bed. This is the Serene hybrid mattress topper from Viscosoft. It comes with the cover and the pad. The pad is 2.5 inches of gel infused memory foam, and the cover has 1.5 inches of fluffy down alternative, which gives us a total of 4 inches of comfort. So here's the mattress cover that was included. As I mentioned, it has 1.5 inches of fluffy down alternative. It also has built-in straps to connect the mattress pad to the mattress cover. And you'll see me in this video strap the mattress pad to the mattress cover, and then we'll completely cover the mattress. The mattress topper will fit up to an 18-inch deep mattress with no problem. And of course, you know I had to lay across this bed. It is giving me 5-star hotel vibes. I mean, it is really comfortable now. This one is a must-have. And I even called my daughter in here to lay across it. I edited her out because she didn't want to be on camera, but oh my gosh, I'm in love. So let's go ahead and decorate the space. I still have to put the sheets on as well as the new pillows. So she asked me why was it so soft, so I pulled back the cover to show her what was underneath. So let's go ahead and make the bed. Now this is really cool. They put a little label on the side to let you know that this is not the top or the foot of the bed. It's the side. I really like that because I hate when I get almost through with putting a sheet on and then I realize, hey, this is the side or this is the top. So that's good to know. And I love to tuck the end of my bed this way. Let's go ahead and tuck it on both sides, and then we'll go around the bed and tuck the sheet. Okay, so these pillows also came from Viscosoft. These are the hover pillows. You have two options of comfort to go with. These are the low loft. These are recommended for those of us who like to sleep on our stomach, and they recommend the high loft comfort for those of us who like to sleep on our sides. So these were made with a charcoal fabric. The outside cover is washable and you can sleep on it. So there's an option to either cover it or sleep directly on the charcoal fabric. I'll leave the links to all of the items from Viscosoft in the description for those of you who want to achieve the same comfort. Now that we have the 5-star comfort of a hotel, I want to do the 5-star look of a hotel bedroom. So now I'm going to add this oversized quilt from Overstock. It came with 2 pillow covers and it is perfect for this thick 4-inch mattress pad as well as the mattress. I'll leave the link to it in the description for those of you who are interested as well. And this is a duvet cover. I'm just going to go ahead and put the duvet insert into it. I caught it on sale at Home Goods. It was just $22. So it has the cream and little specks of silver lines going through it. So it's the perfect accent to this bedding. And it's going to also give us that hotel 5-star vibe I'm going for. All right, let's jump off subject for a little bit. In one of my last videos, I mentioned to you all that I wanted to change the paint color in this room, and we were going to caulk the crown molding. Well, my husband did do the caulking. I changed my mind on the paint color. I absolutely love this paint color, so I'm not at the point where I want to change it yet. So I did go ahead and touch up the little holes and nicks in this room, and I just used some paint that I already had. So we painted this room probably 7 or 8 years ago, and I absolutely love this color. We went with a nice grade of paint, so it's easy for you to wipe the wall down without any discolorations. So this color is Sherwin-Williams Warm Stone. It's either in the eggshell or satin finish. I'm almost sure it's satin. So we're happy with it, and we'll probably keep it for another 7 or 8 years, depending on what mood I'm in. But for now, we just wipe it down and just touch up the paint for any little nicks or holes in the wall. Here I'm just showing you that the charcoal pillow cover does come off, so it'll be easy for you to wash them in the washing machine, and it has a full pillow insert inside of the pillow cover. So don't forget to look in the description. I will leave a 5% off discount code for your purchase on Viscosoft website. Add in these curtains. I got them from Home Goods. They're made by Tiffany, and they have a little bit of the Tiffany blue as well as a lime green in them. I felt like they would go good with these beautiful lamps I'm about to unbox. Okay, so now let's unbox this lamp. I already had one and I needed one more for this space. The other one I've had about 2 years, so I found the same lamp online made by the same exact company. And I didn't realize until I unboxed it and put it on the nightstand that they are different. One has more of a warm gold metallic look, and the other one has silver. It's a lot of silver. So the new one has the silver and a white shade, so it's not going to work for the space. So I ended up changing my whole look after all, but I'm going to go ahead and show you all what it ended up looking like, and then I just went with the new look. I really was feeling like the stars were aligning. I found this bench at Home Goods as well as this picture at Home Goods. So I was like, perfect. I mean, these are the colors I've been wanting to do because it ties into the guest bathroom. Now, the little bench at the end of the bed, I got it from Home Goods. It was $100. They had tan too, but of course I'm working on this color, so I felt like it was perfect. And I've always wanted a small bench at the end of this bed, but because there's a bathroom right there, I couldn't go with one that was really wide. So I'm going to keep this bench, although it may not always blend with the color in the space, it will definitely blend with the layout. So sometimes you can have the best of both worlds, and sometimes you just get what you can get that works for you. And besides, I can always cover the bench. So now it's time to flip this room to a different look because those lamps do not match and it's throwing off the color in the room. This art as well as these other pieces to try to blend those colors into the space. Nothing really worked out. I picked up this book, which I'll still put that in there. It was for $3.99, perfect for a guest room. I already had this. Picked up this pumpkin candle. It was $12.99 at Home Goods. So then I also got this little pumpkin. It was $4.99. Purchased this little sea salt. I like it for the color. It was $12.99. And then I got this vase. It was $12.99. And this little pillow ball, it was $16.99. So all of this was supposed to work. I even found this little candle for $3.99, which I've been burning it at Aldi's. So none of this is going to work with my new look, and plus I was going to change those out anyway. This is the one I wanted. This is the new one. So the white is not going to work, but I love that lamp and not really that one. So it's crazy how one little lamp will throw off your entire design project. Moving right along. And here, there is a difference. So even looking here. Right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you, Viscosoft, for sponsoring today's video. I'll leave a link to everything they gifted me in the description, as well as a link to their website and a coupon code for 5% off your total purchase. They have a lot to choose from, so be sure you check out their website. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Also, be on the lookout for video number 2 for this bedroom. This isn't the final look, but one thing for sure that is staying is the Viscosoft bedding. So be on the lookout for video number 2 because it'll be coming soon. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.